Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I want to repair a watch that has two quartz movements inside. One movement, which is a Ronda 762 model, presents the time in analog format, and another is a digital module and it shows the time in a digital format. This type of watches are called Ana-Digi combo. And I thought it would be interesting for people to see what is inside of those watches. This watch has problems. Hands cannot be controlled by crown and they don't move at all. I'm going to open the watch and investigate further. Because there are two movements, the watch is powered by two batteries, and I believe both batteries are dead. This big battery is for digital module, and the small battery is for Ronda 762. I'll replace both batteries and we'll see if movements could operate. The hands of analog movement don't move even with a good battery, but digital part is alive after resetting the module by simultaneously pressing 4 buttons on the sides of the case. Now I will remove the big battery and also remove both movements from the case so I can continue repairing the watch. Removing hands, and dial, here is the digital screen of the digital module. I need to remove 3 small brackets that hold the digital screen. Now removing the screen. It's made from glass and it has embedded connector pins which contact with the rubber connector. I also removing the back panel of the screen. They work together to make digital data visible. Now I need to release a few latches around the module and then I can move the module out. And the module is out. We can see the second movement now, which is around the 762. Let's take a look at the module. It has a microcontroller consisting of 2 small microchips. There are 2 contacts to provide the power from the battery via 2 small rubber connectors. Here is a line of pins that are attached to the lone rubber connector. Also, the module has 4 contacts to receive signals from the 4 control buttons. And finally, there is a quartz crystal that generates internal signals. On the opposite side, the module has contacts for getting a power from the battery. Now let's remove the Ronda 762. These three latches are belong to the plate that holds the movement. The plate has signs of water damage, and the movement has the same signs as well. Removing movement, it is definitely is beyond the repair and need to be replaced. I found a spare working movement and I'm starting to install it into the plastic holder. Installing the hour wheel, and the dial spacer. Putting the holding plate back. Reassembling goes in reverse order to disassembling. Back panel. Digital screen. Holding brackets. The dial. Here the small rubber connector for supplying the power to the module from the battery. There are two of these connectors because battery always has two leads. Installing the module, making sure it is oriented in the right direction, and then moving the holding plate back to its place. Now installing hands. And inserting the watch into the case. The case has a small groove that serves for orienting the watch inside the case, and the watch has the associated part to match that groove. Installing the big battery. Closing the case. And inserting the stem with crown. And the watch is fully functional now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like, leave comments, and also subscribe to the channel. And until next time, goodbye.